Hafide todos inanos at si Cecilia McFarlane Guevara Eustaquio Zagagio Ginigizoku Kusinan Chamorro Belly Good Food. Hello everyone, my name is Cecilia McFarlane Guevara Eustaquio. I'm in my Chamorro Belly Good Food kitchen. Ja para pago talo mapaisino lai be fatinas talo jizota no famous no bonelus uhan. By special request, I will be making the famous Chamorro shrimp patties by special request. Aabula na natauto mapapasino to tempo befatinas esti. A lot of people have been asking me again to make this special recipe shrimp patties. Edzo befatinas bago paamso. And this is what I will be making for you all again today. Usa dos na tasan harina. I use 2 cups flour. Dos na dangkulon kachalan baking powder. 2 tablespoons baking powder. 1 teaspoon salt. Uno na dikiki kachalan asiga. 1 teaspoon black pepper. Uno na dikiki kachalan pimenta. Pues mix todo y harina y baking powder y asiga and y pimenta. Mix all the ingredients together. The flour, the salt, the baking powder, the salt and pepper. 2 libras na uhang chachak na dikiki na pedaços siya tagini. 2 pounds of shrimp, cut them up in small pieces like these. Na di halum 3 na tasan mixed vegetable, and also add in 3 cups of mixed vegetables. 2 tablespoons chopped garlic. 2 na dangkulong kachalan ahos. Chachak na dikikit na pedaços siya i ahos. Pues na di halum ni size na chada. Then add in 6 eggs. Pues jilaka todo este siya. Jilaka staki un jilaka malik. Then you mix everything together until you have it mixed well. Jilaka pago todo stisia staki un jilaka malik. Siga mo jilaka staki un jilaka malik. Then you mix everything together and keep mixing until you mix everything well. And then next, nisita po natin no carnation milk taginya. Dididya tagi bedahu. Dididya na carnation milk nisita. You need carnation milk and just pour it in the way I poured it in. All you need is 1 swirl of carnation milk. Pues jilaka tatlo todo stakin un jilaka malik. Then you mix everything together until it's thoroughly mixed well. And then it will be ready for frying. Pues ang ginun jilaka malik sa pista tapman listo po my frito y batter. Pago está listo y batter. Now your batter is ready. Na listo y lauza. Make your pan ready. Pour in enough vegetable oil. Na di halom y lauza no vegetable oil. Unto nga kwanto nisita po na nahong po na frito y shrimp patties. Just put enough vegetable oil in there to fry the shrimp patties. Pago está listo. Este bidabdahur wana serving spoon na da kutsala pas potlo halam gilanya. Now you just get a large serving spoon and dip it into your batter and drop it into the hot oil. Siga mucho gusti stakit na kung esta no gi lauza presa frito. Just put enough batter in there until your skillet is full and continue frying. Siga mo frito stakit golden brown I kalot niya I bunelos uhang. Just continue to fry until the shrimp patties starts to turn golden brown. Esta takmang golden brown I bunelos uhang. Now the shrimp patties are now turning golden brown and continue to fry. Siga mo frito hasta que está listo. Esta tungwa tamano y presión yan en esta masa. Just continue to fry it until the shrimp patties are golden brown. Esta takman listo. Esta go golden brown presión yan. The shrimp patties are almost ready. They're all turning golden brown. It's just about ready. Once it's golden brown, you take it off the oil. Esta masa na blackness gi ilanya. Esta listo. Lumunga mana dark din siya sa como un overcook na mas dark bunelos uhang sempre malait. Do not overcook the shrimp patties. If you have it too dark of a golden brown, it tends to get bitter. Ata na bonito persona, no? Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful golden brown. Está listo. Bilaknos todos tipes be polo talo obstrucialum. I'm going to take all of these out of the oil and I will put more into the oil. Pues Paulo siga na mo frito todo I uhang siya. Está que mondajan todo na frito. So now just continue to fry the shrimp patties batter until you have completed frying all of them. Ya está takman listo and it'll be almost all cooked. Ata na persona. Está listo, golden brown, bonito, no? Oh, look at that color. It's a beautiful golden brown. Esta hatsa todo. Just take all the shrimp patties out and add more into the oil. Goes bonito persona. The mangi panya loki has a beautiful color and you can even smell the shrimp patties while it's frying. Gof mangi. It's simply delicious. Takman masa todo. It's all just about cooked. Estigit pot ko i-otto muna na batter. Refrito. Takman mo natin. Takman mo natin i-bunelos uhang. Estigit-otto mo. The shrimp patties are just about done. This is the last batch. It's almost done. This is it. Estigit-otto musta. Estaman listo. This is the last batch and they're all ready. Takman bay plotusti and gina uhat sa todusti. And it's about that time for me to plate the shrimp patties once they are all done. Esta man listo todo y bunelos uhang. Estigit-otto mo. Bonito porcionya. This is the last batch of the shrimp patties. It's got a beautiful, beautiful color. Mama Tina sulokit barbecue no tininungkat ni dyan afriton alotis dyan hineksa zigi shrimp patties. I also barbecued steaks, fried corn, and there you go with the shrimp patties. Hineksa tininungkat ni dyan afriton alotis dyan ni bunelos uhang. Shrimp patties, barbecued steaks, fried corn, and rice. Simply delicious. Kofmanye. Simply delicious.